Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your password for your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already gone to amazon.com and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It's quite easy. Well, right now, let's simply try to change our account password. Right here on the navbar, right next to return and orders, you'll see something like hello, your profile name, account and list. Well, do note that you can simply click on it and then you will be redirected to a new page, or simply hover over it. And let's go to your account right under this Your Account tab. I'm going to click on Accounts right now. Then you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you can see, there are lots of options and you might even get confused. But right now, let's simply go to Login and Security. Click on this button right here. Then you will be redirected to a page like this. Well, right here, do note from here you can change your name, email address and everything. But right now, we're only focusing on how to change our password. Right next to password, here's a button like this that says edit. Click on it right now. Then what you need to do is simply enter your current password, enter your new password and again re-enter it. That is, once you have entered everything, simply hit on save changes and your Amazon account password will be changed. And guys, that's it. That is the gist of it. That's how you change your Amazon password. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.